about because it's a unit I picked up from one of my most favorite human hair wig companies, and that's Nadula. I just filmed another wig by them. Hopefully I'll put some footage there if I remember. And I really liked it, so I have a feeling I'm gonna like this one as well. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. My name is Jessica and I cannot comb hair. You know, I'm gonna start every video like that because I can. I think people forget that. I am just someone who enjoys playing in hair and makeup, and I'm nowhere near professional, like at all. I just enjoy playing in both. So come join me on this journey. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for sticking it out with me. I'm fully aware that I cannot comb hair. I appreciate you guys. If you've been here for a while, you know how much I love Nadula. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I do everything on camera with y'all because I try to be transparent. So the wig comes in this little bowling bag carrying case that I use these bags for everything besides storing a wig. I do. Like I have makeup brushes in one. I keep all types of stuff in them. So I really do enjoy the bowling bag. And then the wig itself comes in a hard box. And then when we open this, hold on. And then once we open the box, we have the wig and we have some other extras that Nadula include. We have a silk storage case with their name on it. We have a pack of HD wig caps. We have an edge band with their name on it. And we have an edge brush with a rubber tip. So things that we will actually use. So this wig that I picked up is a 7x5, which y'all know how I feel about a 7x5. It is my favorite cap construction because it's so beginner friendly yet versatile. It is a body wave. It is 24 inches long and it's in the color FB30. Let's take it out of this plastic and look at it. Nadula also included some bye-bye knots tabs in their wigs, and I love those as well. Let's talk about this color, y'all. Look at this. I have been pretty vocal in the past few weeks that fall, autumn is like my favorite time of the year because it's not too hot, not too cold. The best colors come out in fall, or people wear the best colors, in my opinion, in fall, the best clothes. Like, I love fall. This color, like, screams fall to me. It's just so stinking pretty. So, good job on the color, Nadula. The other thing that they did a great job on, this wig cap construction. Like I tell y'all all the time, when I wear these wigs, I'm looking for something that's going to be easy, yet look decent on my head. And Nadula delivers every time with these 7x5 wigs. They have upgraded their caps, and I will say that I do like the upgraded construction. So you get a 7x5 at the top. With their glueless adjustable bands, they have made them thinner, which I appreciate the thinner band. It fits more comfortably on my head. You get a comb in the back, and you get the drawstring, which is my favorite part of the cap construction. Also, the wig appears to be stretchier, and you get some type of, it's not sticky to touch, but some adhesive right up there at the top that'll make the wig not latch onto your head, because that make it sound like an alien, but you know what I mean. Okay, so I do enjoy that as well. This cap construction upgraded is just bomb. I also love that this comes pre-colored, pre-curled. I don't have to do anything to it but put it on my head. Okay, so let's do that. I'll give you a 360 and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. Y'all, I have been wearing, I went back to look, I've been wearing or ordering Nadula hair for over 8 years, and I think this is a testament as to why. This hair is always great quality, it's always affordable, but what I appreciate the most is, even though I've been wearing their hair for over 8 years, I really have not improved in my skill. I really can't comb hair, yet they make it so easy for someone who doesn't have skilled hands to be able to put this wig on and it look this good. So this is why I absolutely love Nadula. So y'all know it's always 3 things I'm looking for, as I just mentioned, and that's affordability. This one is super affordable, plus they have payment options. I'm always looking for quality. Quality is through the roof, and beginner friendliness, 10 out of 10. So this is one that I definitely can recommend. If you look in the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to this wig as well as all the details, because this is one that I definitely think you need, especially for the fall. Talk to me in the comments and tell me what y'all's thoughts are, because if you can't tell, that I'm absolutely in love with this. I even tried to pull some of it half up, half down, and I thought that was really cute as well. But it's something about the coloring job that they did on this, having it all the way down. I mean, this is just gorgeous. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this unit from Nadula, because I'm in love. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, y'all.